Today, we're diving into a fierce battle between two flagship titans, the Google Pixel 10 Pro and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Both pack incredible power and innovation, but which one truly stands out? We'll compare their displays, platforms, cameras, batteries, memory options, durability, and price. Can the Pixel 10 Pro's advanced Tensor G5 chipset outperform the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Elite? Does Xiaomi's massive 6000 mAh battery crush Google's 4870 mAh cell? And with Xiaomi boasting a staggering 200 MP periscope telephoto lens, can the Pixel 10 Pro keep up? Finally, which phone offers the best bang for your buck? Stick around, because the answer might just surprise you. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes the crown with a larger 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display that peaks at an impressive 3200 nits brightness, delivering vibrant colors with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support. This makes it perfect for stunning visuals even in bright sunlight, overshadowing the Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED with 3300 nits peak but lower overall color depth and brightness features. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3nm process, boasts higher clock speeds with a powerful octa-core CPU featuring two 4.32 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L cores, making it a beast for performance and efficiency. This edges out the Pixel 10 Pro's Google Tensor G5 chipset on 4nm, which, while capable, runs at lower clock speeds and uses a different architecture. When it comes to photography, Xiaomi's 200 MP periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom steals the spotlight, offering unparalleled detail and zoom capabilities. This dwarfs the Pixel 10 Pro's 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, but Xiaomi's sheer megapixel count and sensor size gives it an edge in capturing ultra-high-resolution shots. Battery life is crucial, and Xiaomi's 6000 mAh Li-ion battery significantly outlasts the Pixel 10 Pro's 4870 mAh Li-ion cell, promising longer usage and less frequent charging for power users on the go. Memory-wise, Google Pixel 10 Pro offers a higher RAM ceiling with up to 16 GB across all storage variants, including a massive 1 TB option, catering to multitaskers and heavy app users. Xiaomi matches the storage, but maxes out at 16 GB RAM only on higher tiers, slightly limiting mid-range configurations. Both phones come with IP68 dust and water resistance, but Xiaomi adds aerospace-grade glass fiber to its build, enhancing durability and giving it a premium feel that might appeal to those who want extra toughness. Price-wise, Xiaomi 15 Ultra is more affordable at $900 compared to Google Pixel 10 Pro's $999, making Xiaomi a tempting option for those seeking flagship specs without the highest price tag.